Hello and welcome to Roamin with the Rubes. We are spending a few quiet days at Gunalda Bush Camping just to the north of Gympie, Queensland.
It's a lovely, peaceful spot, lots of bushland. You can walk around the park, plenty of campsites. It's a really nice spot, and we're even going to do a little bit of camp cooking.
Wow, what are we cooking?
Famous fajitas.
Oh yeah, very nice. And while we're here, we're taking a drive out to the historic Dickabram Bridge, which is not too far from our campsite, so we're really looking forward to seeing that as well. So Joe, we better get roaming.
We better get rowing. See you, folks. Gunalda Bush Camping is located 65 kilometres south of Maryborough or 33 kilometres north of Gympie, just off the Bruce Highway on Anderley Road.
Gunalda Bush Camping offers back-to-basics camping, the best kind. Bring everything you need and leave only your footprints. So you will need to be self-contained with your own water, toilet and shower. There are 68 acres of bushland and campsites are located all around. You'll see plenty of wildlife, and a nice little dam provides water for these animals and birds that inhabit the property. A few fire pits are available, however it's a good idea to bring your own. Firewood is available for campers, and this is a dog-friendly campsite.
It wouldn't be camping if you didn't at least cook one lot of jaffles. So here's our lovely round jaffle irons sitting in the coals, sizzling away. We'll show you what they look like when they're finished.
That should be pretty good.
Should be all right, you think?
Forward.
Can't wait. Yum! Number one is out of the gate. Have a look at that.
Looks pretty good.
It's going to be awesome. Mine shouldn't be too much longer.
Living the dream, guys. This is Sunday evening, winter in southeast Queensland.
T-shirts.
Look at us,
and
t-shirts.
shorts.
It is just beautiful. It's almost 6 p.m. Glorious day. I think we've truly,
It's good, isn't it?
we've bypassed spring, and I think we've gone straight for summer.
Not bad.
So we're just going to enjoy our jaffles now in front of the fire. A nice Sunday evening, living the dream.
Hey, it's a beautiful day. Let's go for a little road trip to the historic Dickabram Bridge. Dickabram Bridge is around 16 kilometres from Gunalda Bush Camping, about a 15-minute drive away. From Gunalda Bush Camp, travel along the Anderley Road to the township of Gunalda, cross the Bruce Highway and continue on Meaver Road till you reach the bridge.
Construction of this grand old bridge was completed in 1886, and it was a major bridge on the Kingaroy branch line. This heritage-listed bridge is the oldest steel truss road and rail bridge in Queensland and the second oldest in Australia. It stands 23 metres above the river level and is 191 metres long. Dickabram Bridge spans the Mary River between Meaver on the southwestern side and Theobald on the northeastern side. Whilst the bridge was officially closed for rail early in 2010, it remains open for vehicles. Take a walk across the bridge and marvel at how it was constructed so long ago. One of the 3 tragedies during the bridge building is a legend or ghost story about a worker being entombed in the foundations. This signboard tells the tale. Press pause if you'd like to read about it.
Okay, Lee, the time's come.
To make our famous fajitas.
Ooh.
So our mixture for the fajitas has been sitting in the refrigerator marinating nicely for a couple of hours. So what we've got in here are chicken breast sliced up thinly, red onion, yellow capsicum, red capsicum, and we have a spice mix of both sweet and hot smoked paprika and some cumin, and it's just marinating in a little bit of lemon juice and some olive oil, and it smells really nice already, and it's not even cooked. Now if you would like the recipe for this with all the quantities in it, you can go to our website to get that, and we'll put a link in the video description for you.
These are so well worth doing, hey?
They are really delicious, they don't take too long to cook, and just super tasty.
Let's get cooking.
Let's. So when we found our fajita recipe, it just had red capsicum in it. And I kind of like the addition of the yellow. I don't know, it just makes it a little bit more colourful, I reckon.
It looks good.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nearly done now, Joe.
Nearly done. Getting close. Looking good. You've got to love a well-seasoned cast iron pan. Maybe not so much a very low-skilled spatula operator that's throwing the food everywhere.
Yeah, true.
But nothing sticks to this, it's just awesome. A couple of more seconds. These are a must-have. You've got to get yourself some nice leather gloves, welding gloves, something like that, so you can pick hot things up off the fire.
Don't trip over the dog lead.
And we have just a little steel trivet there that I welded up that we can set hot things on our plastic top table. Handle in so you don't knock it off.
Beautiful.
Time to start assembling some fajitas, hey?
Yep. So, because we're camping, it's very casual. We're not even warming up the tortillas. We've just got the little street tortillas here today. We'll just have them straight from the packet. I have done some avocado up, smashed avocado, and with a bit of lemon juice out of it. I couldn't get any limes before we came away, so there's lemon juice in that. You can do a bit of a guacamole, which is really nice as well. The other thing that goes really nice with these is some coriander sprinkled on the top, but we've not got any of that today, and I know lots of people don't like that. We also like to add a bit of Greek yogurt as well. Some people add sour cream, but we just prefer the healthier option of the Greek yogurt. You want me to do the base of yours, Joe?
Yes, please.
But
Take in a goat.
the Greek yogurt has icicles on it from our camp fridge.
That's the joys of gas fridges, hey?
Okay, there we go. Yummo.
Just put that there.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Take a bit of this in mine. Oh, it looks really nice.
It does.
We have these at home a lot, and we usually stand and eat them, don't we?
We never sit down and eat these, we're always standing.
Yeah,
So
they're just quick and easy. Bon appetit,
bon appetit,
guys.
folks.
Yum. Very nice.
Always good, a bit of avo and the Greek yogurt and that.
Beautiful.
Did you mention the coriander?
I did.
Oh. One of those things, you always forget coriander, I don't know why. There you go, folks. If you want a nice, quick, easy and super healthy dinner, give these fajitas a go, you won't regret it.
Righto. Here's our little campsite here. It's early in the morning, chairs are all still folded in. It's very dewy around, so we've been packing everything up at night. Sky looks cloudy, but it's not, it's just some fog. Lovely quiet spot here. There's a dam just there. Go up there and have a little look. So there's a bunch of campsites down there below the dam. Really nice flat open areas if you want to be using your solar. Not too bad at all. Okay, so I've now walked up the hill from the dam. Beautiful view up here. This is a nice big open spot here to set up camp as well. Scattered throughout the property there are a number of fire pits. They're just around everywhere, so you're encouraged to use those or bring your own. And there's also a number of trailers scattered about with firewood. The owner asks that you do not collect sticks and branches that have fallen on the ground because they like to use those. Instead, just bring your own wood or use what is here in the trailers. And we'll go over here and I'll show you what the owners do with what they collect from the ground. So this property is land for wildlife. So you'll find all around the property there are lots of little areas like this under the trees with little branches and twigs and things all piled up, making habitats for lizards, sometimes little birds, all sorts of animals. Fantastic, great idea. Right, so that's the entrance to the property back down that way. And we're just going to follow down this way and we'll walk down towards our campsite. Everything's well signed out here. That's that area we were just at. It's a lovely spot there for camping too. There's another little camping spot just in there. Hanson Creek Camping, that's where we're heading. We're going to start to go downhill a little bit here. Down towards the creek and below the dam. Oh, this looks interesting down here. We drove past this on our way in but didn't really take a lot of notice. This poor old vehicle has seen better days. Oh dear. Uh-oh, all that's left of the driver is his shoes. I don't know what sort of car this is. Not much of it left. Okay, we're going to go down this track here. There's some more campsites down this way. Very quiet this weekend. We arrived Thursday, leaving Monday, and there's only been a couple other people camping here. Got more camping area down here. Most of this has got a little bit of a slope on it though. Not too bad for tents or campers even, or caravans, but I don't know. More level, the easier it is. Don't know what this is the remains of here. Looks interesting. And look, here's another trailer load of really nice timber. That's great. So convenient. So this isn't a bad area either if you just wanted to peace and quiet away from others. Lovely. Here we are, there's the creek there. bit muddy. It winds its way through the property. Yeah, a bit murky. I'm surprised there's not some moving water in there after all the rain that we've had up this way lately. Here we go. That is it, Hanson Creek. Okay, back out into the main track. You see our little camper in the distance. Now listen to the birds. We've been blessed with so much bird song the whole time we've been here. If you can call the black cockatoos nice bird song, that's debatable, but they've been around each day as well. But some lovely birds around here. Some kangaroos and wallabies as well. Here we are over there in the distance. It's a campsite just there by the creek. It's campsite number 25. There we are. Campsite 26, that is us. We hope you've enjoyed this little look around Gunalda Bush Camping. We've had a wonderful little stay here. It's been very relaxing, hasn't it?
Lovely, lovely spot. Very, very peaceful. Not too many people here, so if you come, you'll have a lovely, relaxing time of it there.
Definitely. It's been warm though, hasn't it?
Yeah, I think we've come to the end of winter, and we've jumped past spring and we're into summer.
Straight into summer.
It's going to be over 30 degrees today, and we're not even out of August yet. Just amazing.
Well, thanks so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this episode. Please give us a like, or if you haven't subscribed, we'd love you to do so. And please also feel free to comment. We answer all the comments. Thanks so much. Bye.
Don't forget to get your fajita recipe from our website. It's in the files page. There's a link in the description below. See you next time, folks.
Awesome. Bye.